Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to set up a Shopify store from scratch. So first of all you will open up your Google browser and then you will search for Shopify here, and then what you're gonna have to do, you will just open up this first link where it says www.shopify.com, and then here you can see that we have this first link here. Okay, so basically what you're gonna have to do is I will just now first of all I will just purchase the Shopify. So here you can see that we can basically get the Shopify for just $1 per month, okay, for 3 months, okay, just to try out the things. Okay, so I will click on pricing here, and then what I will do, I will just basically get this first basic plan here. So I will just click on try for free, and it will basically get us to this page where it says like let's get started, which of these best describes you. Okay, so basically if you are just starting out, you can just select this option here, and if you are already selling online or if you have a physical store, then you can click this. But I will just click on this, I'm just starting, and then I will click on next. And then where would you like to sell? Okay, so like an online store, in person, social media, an existing website. So an online store and maybe social media. Okay, so if you have any social media accounts related to your product that you are basically selling, that you can select this as well. So I will just select this one, which is the an online store, then click on next. And what do you plan to sell? So products I buy or make, digital products, services, drop shipping products, print on demand. So I will just select drop shipping here and click on next. And now where will your business be located? So you can basically select your country of residence here basically, and then click on next, and then it will basically ask you to create an account. So what you're gonna have to do, you can just sign up with Google as well. So I will just click on sign up with Google here, and it will basically loads up some of my accounts. So after basically linking your Gmail account, it will get you to this page, and here you can see we have this option where it says creating your account. So you have to wait and be patient until this process is done, and now it will basically redirect us to this page. Now we have into the admin.shopify.com. So we have the admin page here, from where basically we can make our store. Okay, so that's how you can basically set up the store. And yeah, so basically here it says that your trial just started, and this trial will be ended on this day, December 1st. But basically if we select any plan and if we enter our card details here, so it will basically charge $1 per month for the next 3 months to us. Okay, so that's it for this video guys, and if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.